Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Maske Sir. In today's video, we are going to see warming up activities from English workshop and activities from language study section of the lesson An Epitome of Courage. So let's get started. So before we start the video, I want to tell you that this video will become a little longer, so because there are so many activities in this lesson, so please watch this video till the end. So let's get started. Let's begin with warming up activities, which includes chit chat. A strange truth: handicapped are those who refuse to take up challenges even with all their senses and physiology in perfect condition. हे हँडिकॅप्ड असे लोक असतात की जे मानसिक आणि शारीरिकरित्या तंदुरुस्त असून परफेक्ट असूनही जे नवनवीन आव्हान रिस्क घ्यायला घाबरतात. अशा लोकांना आपण खरे हँडिकॅप किंवा दिव्यांग असे म्हणू. हाऊ कॅन यू इनकरेज such people to change and become confident? Discuss at least 4 to 5 ways you can do the above. Answer: ways to encourage them and give confidence. Number 1, to tell them the examples of great people. Know the problems that they have been facing. Talk to them in a friendly manner about their good qualities. Advise them to be brave, courageous and active. Provide them opportunities to prove themselves. Help them in the fields where they lack. तर अशा प्रकारे त्यांना आपण इनकरेज करण्यासाठी, त्यांना इनकरेज करण्याची किंवा त्यांचा आत्मविश्वास वाढवण्याचे आपण ह्या अनेक मार्गाने त्यांचा आत्मविश्वास आणि त्यांना आपण प्रोत्साहन देऊ शकतो. नेक्स्ट, there are pleasant and polite ways of referring to people with physical and mental disabilities. Fill in the table below. या ठिकाणी प्रिव्हियसली यूज टर्म, न्यू पोलाइट टर्म, की पूर्वी लोक ज्या प्रकारे अशा प्रकारच्या टर्म्स यूज करायचे आणि आता नवीन त्यांच्यासाठी काय आले बघा. ब्लाइंड, व्हिज्युअली चॅलेंज्ड, डीफ हिअरिंग इम्पेअर्ड, dumb, speech impaired, mad, mentally ill, lame, physically handicapped. We must use this new polite term in understand to behave with them so friendly. So next, रीड द बिगिनिंग अँड कम्प्लीट द स्टोरी इन युअर ओन वर्ड्स. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला बिगिनिंग दिलेली आहे आणि पुढची स्टोरी आपल्याला स्वतः पूर्ण करावयाची आहे. आन्सर: सो वी हॅव टू गिव्ह अ सुटेबल टायटल फॉर आवर स्टोरी. फॉर्च्यून फेवर्स अ मॅन विथ करेज. की दैव, नशीब कोण्या लोकांची साथ देते? जे मुळातच शूर आहेत. तर स्टोरी अशी आहे: सुमित, द सन ऑफ अ शू मेकर, वॉज हायली इंटेलिजंट स्टुडंट इन म्युनिसिपल स्कूल. हिज मॅथ्स टीचर कॉल्ड हिम Einstein, for he was brilliant in maths. He loved maths. Sumit wanted to study further after SSC. However, he suffered from polio and the disease completely paralyzed his legs and made him disabled. In spite of being handicapped, his love for mathematics did not deter him for continuing his further study. Sumit joined a night college. He was confined to wheelchair, though he displayed an exemplary courage and completed his graduation in math. His professors encouraged him to do research in the subject for his PhD. During the period, he appeared for Indian Administrative Service and stood first among all the candidates. Sumit longed for more and more. Fortune favors the brave. He received a scholarship of ISRO and soon he was appointed there as a junior scientist. At the age of 35, Sumit became a renowned scientist. His determination and valor reached him there when he was facing the cruel calamity. What a thing, what a wonderful thing courage is. खरंच धाडस ही एक अशी एक विलक्षण अशी गोष्ट आहे. Margin questions. What did Stephen Hawking's parent fail to know about him? Stephen Hawking's parent failed to know that one day their little son would become one of the greatest scientists of this century. What is courage? Courage म्हणजे काय तर courage is a wonderful thing. ही एक विलक्षण गोष्ट आहे. It is that quality which makes people not lose heart when faced with a great calamity. Where was Stephen Hawking sent for studying mathematics? Stephen Hawking was sent to the University of Oxford for studying mathematics. He chose to study physics because the University of Oxford did not have a course in mathematics. What happened when he was 17? At the age of 17, Stephen started noticing that he was becoming increasingly clumsy and even fell down a couple of times for no reason. What did his family doctor diagnose? His family doctor diagnosed that he was caught by ALS or LOU Gehring disease that affects the nervous system and eventually weakens all the muscles of the body. What did he study about to get his PhD? He studied the concept of a black hole to get his PhD. Guess the meaning of profound, very deep, awesome ideas, impressive ideas. In spite of control on his body, how did Hawking express his ideas? In spite of no control on his body, Hawking controlled over his body, save a finger, and with a computer to express his thoughts. What does the writer say about the books authored by Dr. Hawking? The writer says that the books of Dr. Hawking's writings is full of wit and humor. His style is so lucid म्हणजे स्पष्ट, सुस्पष्ट, that non-scientist could also understand him. His book, A Brief History of Time, is one of the best-selling books in the world. So some of the activities from English workshop. Group A, Group B. So we have to match the following. So the answers are Galileo, the greatest scientist 300 years before Hawking. Dr. Stephen Hawking, the greatest scientist of this century. Black hole, the concept which helped Stephen to get his PhD. And Stephen's favorite subjects, music and mathematics. Complete the following web chat containing the qualities of Dr. Stephen Hawking. Qualities of Dr. Stephen Hawking. One is done for you, courageous, undaunted, optimistic, great author, humble, intelligent. So these are the qualities of Dr. Stephen Hawking that we found from the text. Next question. So arrange the following statement according to the occurrence in the life history of Dr. Stephen Hawking. या ठिकाणी काय आपल्याला घटना दिलेल्या आहेत, त्या घटना त्यांच्या जीवनामध्ये ज्या क्रमाने घडल्या तो क्रम आपल्याला या ठिकाणी लावायचा आहे. सो आय डायरेक्टली रीड द आन्सर्स. Number 1. Stephen was born on 8th of January 1942 and then grew up like an average child and a normal teenager. Number 2. At the age of 17, Stephen noticed that he fell down a couple of times for no reason. Stephen was diagnosed with a rare disease, ALS or LOU. Stephen decided to continue his doctoral research work with renewed vigor. The disease worked its way into Stephen's body and left him disabled. Though confined to a wheelchair, he worked on computer and expressed his thoughts. He became a fellow of the Royal Society and a member of the US National Academy of Science. He believes that in the next millennium, science will discover the core secrets of the universe. Homographs, pairs of words that are spelled and pronounced the same but have different meaning in different contexts. अशा शब्दांच्या जोड्या असतात की ज्यांचे स्पेलिंग आणि प्रोनाउन्सिएशन एकच असतात पण वेगवेगळ्या परिस्थितीमध्ये त्यांचा अर्थ मात्र वेगळाच असतो. अशाच शब्दांना आपण होमोग्राफ्स असं म्हणतो. सो लिसन केअरफुली. द पेअर्स ऑफ वर्ड दॅट स्पेल्ड अँड प्रोनाउन्स द सेम बट देअर मिनिंग इज डिफरंट इन डिफरंट context. For example, watch, observe, watch, device that shows time. Use the following words in two different contexts. Number 1, couple. Zahir Khan managed to take a couple of wickets. The elderly couple was crossing the road. आता या ठिकाणी तुम्ही पाहू शकता या ठिकाणी कपल वेगळ्याच अर्थाने आलेला आहे आणि या ठिकाणी कपल देखील वेगळ्याच अर्थाने आलेला आहे. त्यांचा स्पेलिंग आणि त्यांचा उच्चार सेमच आहे पण वेगवेगळ्या स्थितीमध्ये त्यांचा अर्थ मात्र वेगळा आहे. अशाच शब्दांना आपण काय म्हणतो? होमोग्राफ असं म्हणतो. नेक्स्ट, माइंड. इफ यू डोंट माइंड कॅन आय टेक युअर पेन? देर वेर मेनी थिंग्स इन माय माइंड वेन लिव्हिंग द विलेज. स्पेस. देर वॉज इनफ स्पेस फॉर मी इन द रूम. Man is thinking to build laboratory in the space. Sound. The loud sound at night startled everyone. His idea of celebrating birthday in a different way sounds quite interesting. Left. Go straight and then turn left to reach the station. As soon as he completed his project, he left the village. Use the following words, phrases in your own sentence. So we have to use these words or phrases in our own sentences. Number 1, quick of fate, quirk of. I got a lottery of a 10 crore just because. Quirk of fate. Confined to म्हणजे खिळून बसणे. Because of severe illness, my friend Gopal confined to the bed for a month. Exaggeration. We found exaggeration in his speech. An epidemic. Gopal's parents did not think that their son would become an epitome of courage. Millennium. 1 millennium is equal to 10 centuries. Expand the given themes. Make use of the support hints. So I have not shown the supports or hints here. So I directly expanded the theme. या ठिकाणी मी डायरेक्ट ज्या थीम्स आहेत त्या एक्सपॅन्ड केलेल्या आहेत त्या तुम्ही सो दे आर इन व्हेरी इझी लँग्वेज. आन्सर. इफ यू फॉल इल ड्युरिंग युअर फायनल एक्झाम. जर तुम्ही तुमच्या फायनल एक्झामच्या दरम्यान आजारी पडला तर काय होईल? इफ आय फॉल इल ड्युरिंग माय फायनल एक्झाम आय विल नॉट लूज माय कॉन्फिडन्स ॲट ऑल. रॅदर दॅन मेकिंग कंप्लेंट्स आय विल ॲक्सेप्ट इट ॲज अ चॅलेंज. बाय सिटिंग ॲट होम I will study. I will take the help of my elder sister if required. Without losing time, I will consult with my family doctor. I will take medicines on time. I will be determined to study. I will discuss to my friend about my study. I will concentrate on my study and try to get good marks. During examination, I will use different techniques of study. As practice makes man perfect, I will practice a lot of at home. If you meet a disabled person who needs help, जर तुम्ही एखाद्या दिव्यांग व्यक्तीला भेटल्या की ज्याला मदतीची गरज आहे तर तुम्ही काय करसाल? तर सो द आन्सर, इफ आय मेट अ डिसेबल्ड पर्सन हु इज नीडी आय वुड हेल्प हिम or her. First of all, I will try to know what type of help he requires. If he is lame, I will help him to cross the road. If anyone is without arms, I will help him by carrying his luggage. If he wants to write someone, I will write on behalf of him. There are many NGOs who provide food and offer them to live without any fees. I will contact such NGOs to help the disabled people. Disabled people are not respected. I will try to change the situation. I will aware the people. I will make aware the people through informative street plays and posters. I will behave in a friendly manner with disabled people. In this work, I will take the help of my parents and neighbors too. Next, if your friend is in trouble, जर तुमचा मित्र अडचणीत असेल तर तुम्ही काय करायला पाहिजे? If my friend is in trouble, I will definitely help him. Help him, her. Friends are very important because they help us in our study and problems. I can identify the troubles or worries of my friend by observing his body language and gestures. It is not necessary that one should tell the problems. We should recognize by gestures. If my friend hesitates to tell his problems, I will willingly go to him and listen to him. True friends help us in our tough time of the life. I still remember that accident when I was ill and could not attend the school. My friend Prashant regularly came to my home for a month and helped in my studies. Once Prashant had no money to buy a science journal. His parents were out of town at that time. I lent money to him. I will not forget Prashant as he is my best friend. If you meet a great person like Dr. Stephen Hawking, so if you meet a great person like Dr. Stephen Hawking, so indeed it will be one of the golden day in your life. So the answer is, if I meet a great person like Dr. Stephen Hawking, I will be overwhelmed. Meeting such a great person is a fortunate thing. I will ask many questions to him. I will also take suggestions about how to become successful and famous. Actually, I like to interact with such great people like Dr. Stephen Hawking. I will discuss about their achievement and future plans. In spite of facing challenges, such people keep strong desire to do something. Great people always inspire us through their works and words. I always follow their valuable suggestions. If I will get a chance to meet them, I will ask for advice. Great people do not become nervous by difficulties. They overcome every difficulties and reach on the turn of a success. You happen to meet a successful person who is disabled. Write an imaginary dialogue between you and him, her. You can take support of the hints provided. की एखाद्या दिव्यांग व्यक्तीला तुम्ही भेटलात, म्हणजे जी काही यशस्वी सक्सेस म्हणजे जीवनात तिने काहीतरी असं वेगळं करून दाखवलेलं आहे, तुम्हाला त्या व्यक्तीचा एक इंटरव्ह्यू मुलाखत घ्यायची आहे आणि त्या मुलाखत घेण्यासाठी तुम्हाला जी काही खाली मदत पॉईंट दिलेली आहे त्या पॉईंटच्या मदतीने तुम्हाला त्याची मुलाखत घ्यायची आहे. चला तर मग आपण मुलाखत घेऊया. डायलॉग विथ अरुणिमा सिन्हा, अ माउंटेनियर. आता अरुणिमा सिन्हा कोण आहे तुम्हाला सांगायची गरज नाही. सो देर इज अ व्हिडिओ ऑफ रिअल स्टोरी इन अवर चॅनल. माय सेल्फ. वेलकम अरुणिमा. आय अटेंडेड टू interview you for a year, but now the time comes that you are with us. Arunima, thank you. Myself, you have recently received a Padma Shri award. Congratulations. How do you feel? Arunima, I feel very nice. Awarded with Padma Shri award is a big thing for me. It's not just an honor of me, but all Indians. You are the first female amputee in the world to climb the Mount Everest. We feel sympathy and pride too on you. How do you look towards your disability? It's not my disability. My determination always reminds me that I am as normal as you. I have climbed the Mount Everest by a strong desire. Myself, really Aru, you are a source of inspirations to all. Would you like to tell the reason? How did you lose your leg? Arunima, it was a dramatic day. I was traveling to Delhi from Lucknow on 12th April 2011 by Padmavati Express. Some of the miscreants tried to snatch the golden chain. I resisted them, but they threw me out of the running train. I fell on the railway track. Many trains crushed my leg when I was hospitalized. My leg had to amputate below the knee. What a pity. You have tolerated a lot of. If another were there instead of you, he or she could not bear. How did you decide to climb the highest peak in the world? I am fond of doing adventurous work since my childhood. I lost my leg, but not will. I wanted to do some extraordinary work, so I decided to climb the Mount Everest. Great, myself, great. Did you face difficulties in your operation? Yes, I was fixed an artificial leg. I had to practice of walking for a year, but later my confidence increased while climbing, faced difficulties of rugged way and temperature. How courageous you are. Hats off to your work. Who helped you in the mission? Arunima, the first Indian lady who climbed the Mount Everest, the Bachendri Pal, helped me. She guided me in this work. Did your parents support you? Arunima, certainly my parents supported me at every walk of life. They always inspire me in my work. Myself, have you listened or read any stories of successful people? Yes, I have listened the stories of so many great people. What message will you give to all of us? Work hard, determinedly, win over physical or mental calamities, courageously don't give up, and try your best to get success in life. Thank you very much, Arunima, for sharing your thoughts. Arunima, it's my pleasure. The interview is over. Next question. Some of the activities from language study. Complete the following word chain of adjectives. तर ॲडजेक्टिव्हची वर्ड चेन आपल्याला वर्ड चेन वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारे येते. कधी व्हर्बची येते, कधी नाऊनची येते, तर कधी कधी ॲडजेक्टिव्हची येते. तर क्रुएल, लॉयल, लार्ज, इझी, यंग. तर आपल्याला काय करायचं याच्यामध्ये, याच्या शेवटच्या शब्दापासून एक नवीन ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आपल्याला तयार करायचे. या ठिकाणी जर दुसरी जर पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच आलं तर आपल्याला वर्ड चेनचे मार्क्स मिळणार नाहीत. यासाठी आपल्याला बोर्डाने 2 मार्क राखीव ठेवलेले आहेत. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. कंप्लीट द वर्ड चेन ऑफ नाउन्स. आता या ठिकाणी नाउन्स मेडिसिन, एलिफंट, टेम्परेचर, ईगल, इयर, फक्त 4च पुढे जोडायचे. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग वर्ड चेन ऑफ वर्ब. आता या ठिकाणी वर्बची क्रियापदांची ग्रो, वर्क, कीप, पुट, टेक. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग वर्ड चेन इन एनी वे. तुम्ही कोणत्याही पद्धतीनं, म्हणजे नाउन, वर्ब अशा काही रेस्ट्रिक्शन्स या ठिकाणी नाहीत. फिजिकल, सेल, लॉंग, ग्रो, विल्ड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Convert the following to exclamatory sentence of the same meaning. Dr. Hawking is a humble man. What a humble man Dr. Hawking is. He was very clumsy. How clumsy he was. So don't forget to give an exclamatory mark at the end of the exclamatory sentence. He was very simple and intelligent. How simple and intelligent he was. Courage is a truly wonderful thing. व्हॉट अ वंडरफुल थिंग करेज इज. या ठिकाणी ट्रूली नावाचं जे ॲडव्हर्ब आहे ते आपण काय करतो, एक्सक्लेमेटरी करताना नेहमी ॲडव्हर्बला रिमूव्ह करून टाकतो. नेक्स्ट अँड लास्ट क्वेश्चन. कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग टू इंटरोगेटिव्ह फॉर्म. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला काय करायचे, इंटरोगेटिव्ह फॉर्म म्हणजे एस नो टाईप क्वेश्चन किंवा व्हर्बल क्वेश्चनमध्ये त्याला आपल्याला टर्न करायचे. द प्रोग्नोसिस वॉज बॅड. वॉज द प्रोग्नोसिस बॅड. Stephen decided to continue his research. Did Stephen decide to continue his research? There are many people who display exemplary courage. Are there many people who display exemplary courage? His mind would soar up into the space like light. Would his mind soar up into space like a light? So thank you very much.